DeepSeek is a Chinese artificial intelligence company based in Hangzhou, Zhejiang, specializing in the development of open-source large language models, LLMs. Founded by Liang Wenfeng, the company has rapidly gained attention for its innovative and cost-effective AI solutions. en.wikipedia.org. DeepSeek R1. This model has been recognized for its efficiency and performance, rivaling established models from leading tech companies. Notably, DeepSeek R1 was developed with a budget of approximately $5.58 million, significantly lower than the investments made by its competitors. TheGuardian.com. DeepSeek V3. Building upon its predecessors, DeepSeek V3 introduces a significant breakthrough in inference speed and tops the leaderboard among open-source models. It is available across various platforms, including web, app, and API, making it accessible for diverse applications. DeepSeek.com. The company's commitment to open-source development encourages global experimentation and adaptation, fostering a collaborative environment for AI advancement. TheGuardian.com. Advertising strategies for DeepSeek. To effectively promote DeepSeek and its AI models, consider the following strategies. Content marketing. Educational blog posts. Publish articles that explain the benefits and applications of DeepSeek's models in various industries. Case studies. Highlight success stories of businesses or developers who have effectively utilized DeepSeek's AI solutions. Social media engagement. Platform selection. Utilize professional networks like LinkedIn to reach industry leaders and decision-makers. Regular updates. Share updates, achievements, and relevant industry news to keep the audience informed and engaged. Partnerships and collaborations. Academic institutions. Collaborate with universities and research centers to promote the use of DeepSeek's open-source models in academic research. Industry partnerships. Form alliances with tech companies to integrate DeepSeek's models into their products and services. Webinars and workshops. Educational sessions. Host webinars to demonstrate the capabilities of DeepSeek's models and provide tutorials on implementation. Q&A sessions. Offer live sessions where potential users can ask questions and receive real-time assistance. Community building. Developer forums. Create platforms where developers can share experiences, ask questions, and collaborate on projects involving DeepSeek's models. Open source contributions. Encourage contributions to DeepSeek's projects to foster a sense of community and shared purpose. Search engine optimization, SEO. Keyword optimization. Ensure that the website and content are optimized for relevant keywords to improve visibility in search engine results. Quality content. Regularly update the website with high-quality content to attract and retain visitors. Paid advertising. AI-powered ad solutions. Utilize AI-driven advertising platforms to target specific audiences effectively. ads.google.com. Sponsored content. Invest in sponsored articles or posts in reputable tech publications to reach a broader audience.